The Waterdrop G5P500A RO filter features an advanced 8-stage filtration process, ensuring the removal of harmful contaminants like chlorine, lead, and heavy metals, providing clean and safe drinking water. Utilizing a 0.001 micrometer RO membrane, this filter not only reduces harmful particles, but also incorporates alkaline mineralization, adding essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium to your water. Its tankless design is a standout feature, as it frees up to 70% of undersink space, making it a perfect fit for modern kitchens with its sleek and compact appearance. With a high-speed flow rate of 500 gallons per day, the G5P500A ensures you have a rapid supply of purified water, filling a 6-ounce cup in just 8 seconds. The system's 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio efficiently generates more clean water while minimizing waste, which supports both cost savings and environmental sustainability. Please note that while the faucet installation requires drilling holes in the countertop, the benefits of the system far outweigh this minor inconvenience.